Hi, I'm Tim Sandefur, Vice President for Litigation at the Goldwater Institute. Today, the U.S. Supreme Court will be hearing arguments in a case called Minnesota Voters Alliance versus Mansky. The case involves the question of whether a voter, when he goes into the voting booth, has the right to wear a t-shirt or a button or a baseball cap that has a slogan or a symbol on there that affiliates the person with an organization like the ACLU or the NRA. Remarkably, that's illegal in many states, including Minnesota, which prohibits people from wearing an outfit that affiliates the person with an organization with recognizable political views. Those are pretty broad terms, and it allows the government wide discretion to censor what people wear when they go to vote. Now, that might seem like a little thing, but if you think about it, it's really not fair for the government to be telling people what they can wear when they go to vote. In 1969, the U.S. Supreme Court issued a decision called Tinker versus Des Moines School District. In that case, school children going to high school wore black armbands to protest America's involvement in Vietnam. The U.S. Supreme Court said that they had the right to do that, even though they were in a public school classroom, because the government had no evidence that it was causing any kind of disruption, and as the court put it, school children do not give up their First Amendment rights at the schoolyard gate. Well, certainly, voters, grown adults who go to the polling place to express their preference for who should be president of the United States also don't give up their First Amendment rights. Of course, the government has the authority to ensure that the polling place operates with decorum and order, but the government has gone further in this case and argued that it has the right to prohibit people from persuading one another. We argue, in a brief that we filed in the case, that that's unconstitutional. The government has no legitimate interest in prohibiting people from persuading one another as long as they do so in a peaceful manner that doesn't interfere with somebody else's rights. If you'd like to learn more about this case and about the other work that we do, check us out at goldwaterinstitute.org.